Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily enable developer mode on your CHiQ L32 TV. So first head over to the settings, click all settings. Now here we need to scroll a bit down until we see system. Now click about. And here scroll down until you guys see the Android TV OS build. Now click it a couple of times and now it will say that you are a developer. So now all we have to do is try and find those settings. They should probably be in the either system right here. So now we can go over here and try to change whatever we want. Here we have, let's say, the debugger, like verify apps over USB. It won't work for me right now because there's nothing plugged to the TV. But now here we can like show tabs, we can select the pointer location and much more, like animations. So this is how you guys can do that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.